What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I am Mallory. This is
Dylan.
And I'm Gavin.
Today we have been making some microgreen deliveries, and we just made our last one at Joe Sipper's coffee shop, and we got a little treat. And we decided today that it's a beautiful day, and we are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna go have a picnic and head out to a lake here in Effingham called Lake Sara. Would you stop? So I did not prepare for this picnic, so we're gonna run to Aldi's real quick and see what we can find and put together.
Yep.
And we brought all kinds of fun things. You guys brought your scooters.
Yep.
What else?
Scooters.
Maybe that was it.
Scooters.
Swim trunks.
Swim trunks. We may get it in the, well, they may get in the lake.
You're
I'll put my
getting
feet in.
No, you're
Put my
getting
feet in the sand.
No, you're getting in.
Okay, guys. We're gonna hit Aldi's first and find something to eat for lunch.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go find a really nice spot out by the lake and have a little picnic. Play me some tunes. Oh, awesome out here. I'm most excited about the exercise thing. You can exercise while you guys play. This is the coolest little place.
Is that hard?
I'm so excited. My turn. Did you crank it out?
You can't. It's at 88 times.
Let me see.
What if you gotta push it?
Yep, like this. 220 pounds. Not really.
220? That's a lot.
I could go up.
How much?
Go
How do you do it?
So you pull out, yeah, and go all the way.
All the way?
Yeah.
How much is that?
287.
Yeah, baby.
Let's try like 190.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah.
Are you videoing me?
Yep. Hitting 66 right now.
I am like in heaven.
88.
I don't know if I can do it.
Does it move?
It doesn't move.
Try 66. Let me try 66.
Dang. Nice.
See where I can go. Go to 22.
Okay, I'll go to 11 first.
Get it, D. Get it, D. Oh, yeah.
All right, higher.
Higher.
33.
I'll go 22 first.
Yeah, higher. Nope.
What's this, Gavin?
This? I have no idea.
So this one, oh, this is, yeah,
Abs, right?
I think it is. Yeah, so you wrap your leg. Yeah. So lay down, wrap your legs around there. There you go. Yeah. Nice. And this one is for like your glutes and your lower back.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
That was easy.
okay. Give me a minute here. So you can go like this.
Uh-huh.
You want to get your booty? Okay.
Okay, let me try that.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
And then you can go like even higher with your feet.
These are like 12 kilograms. It's easy.
Well, I want to try that.
Okay. Yep. Oh, but you may not be tall enough.
Yeah, maybe we'll
There you go. Yeah. And what's this thing? This is so cool. Oh, how neat.
What?
You can do all kinds of things with these.
This.
Yeah. Huh?
I did 220 on leg press.
Oh, that's easy.
Gav, you can do all kinds of things with this.
Yeah, this is squats.
What? No, like, there's so many
Oh.
things you can do.
These are light.
That's 26 pounds.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, but if you do, you gotta go all the way up. There you go. Huh?
I don't know. No, I want 26. 26 is easy.
And then,
Yeah, 26 is easy.
so you can squat and
Yeah, I want to try that.
then you can start up high. Ooh, I don't know if I can do this. Ah! And then you can even do like this side thing. Was that right here? And then, oh, you can do this. Okay, do you try that side?
No, wait.
There you go. I used to love doing the elliptical at the gym. So this one's an elliptical. Here's like a bike. And then this one, like, you can row with your arms. Yeah, so you sit there. Uh-huh. And then you row with your arms. That's a nice arm workout.
Oh, yeah. That's going to be awesome.
This makes me miss having an elliptical. I knew there was a reason I didn't work out this morning.
88 pounds. I want to try 88. Is it hard?
Don't hold your breath.
Huh?
Don't hold your breath. Breathe out when you... This is just the coolest thing. So they have like the playground for the kids,
Machine's easiest.
and like all this exercise equipment, either for the kids or the parents, or this is for the parents too. Huh?
Did you do max?
Yeah, I did max. I used to love leg press at the gym.
Max.
Man, I got so excited about the exercise equipment, I set my phone down somewhere. Oh, we've been looking for it for the last 5 minutes. Luckily, someone was like, hey, it's right over here. Whoops.
Okay, I think I can do it.
A little more. A little more. Yeah.
What is that?
I think it's like one of those things where you like go back and forth, maybe? Maybe? You think? There you go. Use your imagination. Yeah, see, I thought that was, oh, this is like an American Ninja Warrior whole little thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
There, you got it. Okay, I see now. It's like a whole obstacle course. Go, Dee, go. Go, Dee, go. There, just go, yeah, and climb that way. Just do it how you can. And then I think you keep going, right?
Yeah.
Did you get hurt?
That.
Yeah?
When you scrape your leg, your hand hurts.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. Hang on to those ropes up there.
Stand up, dude.
There you go.
Stand up.
There you go. Are you tired?
Yeah.
You're almost done. Go up and over.
I don't know if I can do that walk one.
What? Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I bet you could. If you catch it, see that very bottom one that you put your hands in?
Yeah, but you have to do it down the pool. I don't know how to do that.
Oh. Well, Bubby could go up there with you probably. To get in?
Yeah.
Is it cold?
No.
Woo! It's a little cold. Huh? It's not bad. D, you ready to go in?
It's cold, but sure.
Take off and just go.
Oh, is that first thing?
Gotcha.
How's it feel?
Nice.
Nice.
Second workout of the day.
Huh? Second workout of the day?
Yep.
Swimming?
Yeah. I can do that right there. I can do it right there. It's cold when you get out.
It's so cold.
Oh, it's cold up here.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah! I just have to dig. No.
Hanging out with us today. We had so much fun.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This place is so awesome. I have a feeling we're going to be coming back here
Tubing.
a lot. We'll have to bring Grammy and Grampy and have a cookout.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. What was your most favorite part? I know what your favorite part was. Probably my favorite part too.
What?
The workout spot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about you? The water or pickleball was fun too. I've never played pickleball. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with us today, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. Catch you on the next video.